Here we are over in Middlewich this afternoon. Sun's going down. Just finished up. Here we've installed a 12x12 galvanised bracket, 3-foot mast to clear the roof line, wired down in our own Cat5, Cat6 cable, up under the dental, along, right along the top, and in through there where his Starlink router is. His Starlink router is feeding this garage slash outhouse slash office, but then I've backhauled out of that up underneath the dental, catenaried across into his main house, along underneath there, right along the guttering, down behind that downspout and through with a nice tidy finish there. We've fitted a full mesh system inside, and customer is receiving speeds of over 250 megabytes per second all throughout his property. This is Aaron for Space Internet Solution.